Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or stop Discord from opening up on startup on your Windows 10 computer. So by default, when you turn on your Windows computer, Discord will also start up, and this can slow down the process of actually booting up your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn that off so that it no longer happens. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Discord app on our Windows computer. And from there, go down and select the gear for user settings right next to your username. Once you get into the user settings, simply scroll down until you see Windows settings in the left sidebar under app settings. Select Windows settings. And then the first option should be open Discord. So all we need to do is toggle that off, press escape to close the settings. And now we've disabled Discord on startup. So now if you reboot your computer, Discord will not open up. All right, so that's how you disable or turn off Discord on startup in your Windows computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows 10 or Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.